The first thing we're going to look at are the vinyl end caps. There are two small vinyl end caps. This will be for your 1.5 millimeter fiberglass rod. The medium size is for the 3 millimeter fiberglass rod, and there's 7 of those. And there's 2 large caps for the spine, and the spine is 4.5 millimeter diameter. Adhesive back Dacron pieces to show you their shapes. Right at the moment, this is the paper backing. All the parts are cut out, and I'll show you how to separate those off of the sheet in a few minutes. But you have 2 sheets of Dacron, and it has a paper back, and there has a very aggressive adhesive. Then we have the same material in a 3/8 or 10 millimeter wide strips. That'll be for your taping your leading edge, creating the leading edge tunnel, and joining the 2 halves of the sail together under the spine, one on the face and one on the back of the sail. You have a 30-degree dihedral fitting. This will, the spine goes through the center and the crossbars come out the sides, and this gives your kite one shape, 3 millimeter by 625 millimeter spine, and it's a fiberglass tube. There are 2 3 millimeter by 705 millimeter solid fiberglass rods. These are for the leading edge. You have 2 3 millimeter by 430 millimeter solid fiberglass rod. These are for the crossbars. And you have 1 piece of 1.5 millimeter rod, solid rod, that's 385 millimeters long, and this will be the tail spreader and also the sails. There's 2 pieces of Tyvek pre-cut sails. Now what I want to do is show you how to unpackage the Tyvek. It's very simple. We just have a paper sleeve. All you have to do is you can tear it or slide it down, throw it away. Make sure that you have a trash container off to the side. Then you're going to unroll. There's 2 pieces of Tyvek here, and as you can see, they're slit, and then there's little tabs to hold it together. This is what we call the outside edge around the sail is called the selvage or the waist, and then this is the sail. We have a right and a left piece. So what I would suggest doing is unrolling this and laying it aside while we work on some of the other steps so that it'll relax. Right now it has a bit of a curl to it, so I would take both pieces and just turn it down onto a flat surface. So let's just go ahead and set that aside and let it relax.